Hello students. Today we want to discuss how to generate automatic table of content. Problem is some students make manual table of content. It is very time consuming. Look at on your right side there is a table of content. If you are going to make it manually, first of all you will face the trouble of dotting. Second trouble is that page numbers. And if you change some page numbers in your second draft or third draft, it would be very hectic to change page numbers every time. So the solution is, or sometimes just page numbers are changed. Sometimes the headings have also been changed, or some headings have been deleted, some headings have been added. So table of content change in table of content is very difficult if you do it manually. Solution of this problem is that first of all set heading styles. First level heading has different styles, second level heading has different style, third level heading has different style. Then you will open MS Word, you will go to reference section, and then in the left hand corner there is table of content. You will click on it and it will generate. I will show you a demo that how can we work on it. Look at a file. This is a research paper. Just click on it. Okay, suppose you want to give it heading 1. Okay, this is heading 1. Now come downwards. This is also, these are styles. Heading 1. Okay, you can give it numbering to yourself, or automatic numbering can also be done. Then you will move, suppose this is second level heading, you click on it. Moreover, you can also modify. You will click on modify. Here you can change its style. Is it bold or not? Or its Times New Roman or size. Or if you want to just keep this formatting only in this document or in the new documents too. Even you can click on format if you want to change its font, paragraph, tabs, border, language, frame, numbering. If you want to give it automatic numbering, you will click on it and it will give automatic numbering too. Okay. If you want to give some special color, you can also give special color. Okay. So we will just save. This is heading 2. Now this is also, you will just click on it. This is also heading 2. This is heading 2. In this way you are making, suppose this is also heading 2. This is also heading 2. And this is heading 1. Okay. Now you have given headings. For example, I want to give it third number heading, heading 3rd. So what will happen? Come here. Here, this is title. Okay, here is title. Click on title. Now this is title. After title, I want to generate table of content. Look at. I discussed earlier that first of all open MS Word. Okay, this is MS Word has opened. Then go to references. This is reference. The 6th one is references. Now come to the left hand side corner. This is table of content. Click on it. Now there are different styles. Do you want to bring in this form, or in this form, whatever format you like most. Suppose you like this one or this one, table of content. Okay, you will just click on it. Look at. Have you seen this table of content? In this way, table of content has been generated. You can even modify it to some extent if you like. Control Z, it will come here. Okay, you will just click here. Here is update page numbers only. Suppose you have added something and you added one more paragraph and significance has gone to objectives have gone to next page. So you will just update page numbers. If you want to change entire table, update entire table and click here. So it will change the entire table setting. Even you can go here and suppose you want to select this one, for instance, or you can also see which one serves your purpose. You can go here. Even you can modify. There are some more tables, customized tables. You can customize them according to your needs. So in this way, you will generate table of content. I think it would be very easy. They will help you to establish the right table of content. Thank you so much. If you have any query, please discuss.